little cat. D is for dog, happy dog. E is for elephant, big elephant. F is for fish, swimming fish. G is for goat, little goat. H is for hat, colorful hat. I is for ink, blue, blue ink. J is for jug, water jug. K is for kite, flying kite. L is for lion, roaring lion. M is for mango, sweet mango. N is for nest, tiny nest. O is for orange, juicy orange. P is for parrot, green parrot. Q is for queen,